You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Wagwan people. I hope you have a good Sunday. You know. Today, me just want to share with you a performance, two performance video. Well, a portion of performance video, but two parties in specifically. First one is gonna be Romeich birthday party. Yeah man, Romeich keep a glow party last night. And may I tell you, it's shot and we have the footage them. We see performance from Ding Dong, Shenseea, Teejay, Tarus, Riley, Javinci, Konshens, Jaffras and Quada. You see me? So we are going to play that first. And then the second clip is going to be in Portland. Tommy Lee was in Portland at the Crystal nightclub. And him shell on the place, but not tell a lie. So here is it. Romeich Glow Party.
Honestly, yeah, what are you doing October 27th? You're not doing nothing if you're not a Romeich party, yeah? Campbell's Boulevard about to be lit. This party about to be fire. Ladies, a party I name opportunity. Glow party opportunity. You can come out clean and become a Romeich girl. You know, a little clean girl when you have a dance everywhere that day. And you can get yourself a rich man, because rich man have a rich friend that day. So that party I name change your life. You can meet Shenseea, Escobar, Up Top Bass, or even Ding Dong, you know anything. Go just come out, bossy. Be a bad DJ, Huntsman, Black Boy, DJ Scrappy. Watch out now. If you come to my party and not spend the money, we are going to know, because you're not going to glow. Hot party, we are going on it. I'll be telling you that I can't wait to say be a fat pump get our best story now. For sure, what's that? If I tell you, even my friend from Chile that come in the west side.
All of you never know the mustache, It's far to there. Let it. Pick up on it, turn on the link, and turn the link straight. It's not a road, lots of us straight. Link to the mountain, bring that back the road. What are you never got done? The little man is a island. Well, listen, so you spend all that money on your watch, you. How much time you spend with your son? So much money you love, boy. Well, how much you spend with the ones you love? The same for day. Level. Romeich, one thing me and you have in common. Walter, welcome me, little bit. I've been an officer, one scraper, one paper chase, and let's talk about this. Bubble your body for the what is going on now? Everyone from Mobile. Everyone, come here. What is going on? Come here. See one more song for people, you know? Why you know to hold there? You know to hold there from Mobile, yeah? See one more song for people. Find a song for what do you want people do? So, every my friend. Romeich, at your birthday party, she did have to sing a song. Me not in the trappings play a song again. Why you doing this? Why you doing this? If you be love and why you doing it? Because why you doing it? All of the girls know you not ready yet. Yes, this is unconditional. Yo! Let me sing on the top today, I'm ready, I'm a money jump. Now find the gun. If me a get up, hey, you want all of yeah, them good, huh? I'm going to say, what did I? Hey, what is going on? Don't people are something. Watch it now. Stop it on a side, be a problem in the life, girl. Hey, girl, come with on in a side, girl. I just be a question from the white girl, yeah. So it's a rough up, some girl. Some of them just so. So, you put a 10 to best to the white and the gun. Hey, girl, let's go. Level it. When it's a new tune. It's a new tune. Send it out to one. Level in. Make it play out there. Okay, there. I'm not gonna let me fling cocky. Yeah, we don't throw pussy team cocky. Yeah, girl, I don't like what you do. So we keep it all cocky for your shit cocky. Yeah, chill, girl. Only ready to do it when it's easy or chill like me. People are dead when they killing them. But man, die, no problem, they fly. Okay, you're ready. Hey, Randy, big cocky, you go come up on the bed. I mean, you give me one life in you. This won't say my gap on it. I would like cheer. Who do think that's what happened to me back? Just step up here, we up it. Listen, you know me now, overdo the thing. I mean, forward late, not nice, I shot my phone. You know me, I have to step up my phone, Romeich. Bomb buckler. You never used to know if it's sleep. You never like for you. Don't go in, you darling on the gym. Jump. No one is here, you want to show you my dreams. Jump, you know what hey, watch your friends and just walk it down. Yeah, the man. We are good, we are good. Give a ball and a bomb, give a flat bomb. Game, Shina.
Yo, on behalf of our Dr. Required, we're going to do this quick and fast. This is on behalf of the one who what do you say? You're on dance hall?
Yeah, man, so I'm going to face picks up on this. The face bigger than the moon on this. Romeich and Chaddy on there!
Man feel like a jump right now. Smiling to the bank right now. Man standing on the plan side now.
Start up the game.
Man drive all down.
Yeah, that was it. That's all I have. And people, me I thought the truth, the party look shut down. But here's Tamily at the Crystal nightclub. I may have to say shout out to the whole Crystal team. You see me? You know I do a good job over there in Portland. I bring back the nightlife. You see me? But Tamily.
Where's the MC? I know the song, I respect.
Yeah.
mind. Body said the mind don't think so, but me don't mind. Well, I know. I wait for Quada. Bang, 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 bang. We're living like youngsters in the world. Those kids in the world. I'm ready to worry. Do your bodies, that's right. Hey, what? Born every now. What, born every now. Do your bodies, born every now. What, born every now. Show me kids, born every now. What, born every now. Do you believe it? Born every now. Born every now, that's all. Walk on it, holy. Circle and solely. Deep and it's holy. When you get real with double D. Door shall not trouble me. Door shall not trouble me. One don't rise hard in the life will not cover me. Rise back some blocks, make a love catch me the love spot. Check around with a little motion and walking on the shore. As Kelly scream like Shelly, really liquid like Shelly. It'll hook like Chuck Kelly, make them find boy body spilling. Come on, this deep and they be here at night. When they were leaving, they must have gone. Even fly up and be great, even side. Yeah, but that's a good one. Arrivati per Wasseramos! Dogs! In a room again, fucking room what the fuck is the Russian? Push the left, you win again, so yeah! Talking about